Filmmaking looks like magic from the outside, but behind the lens, it's chaos. It's art colliding with deadlines, vision colliding with budgets, and dreams colliding with reality. And yet it's in this struggle that true cinema is born. It's not all about clapperboards and creative freedom. It's about rejection emails, projects that never see the light of day, and more self-doubt than you can imagine. But if you're still listening, maybe this path is for you. Everyone thinks working in film and TV is all about red carpets, big sets, and getting paid to be creative. But no one talks about this. This industry is brutal, and if you're thinking of getting into it, you need to hear this first. So let's break down the illusion, what most people think about working in film versus what it's actually like. Myth 1, you make money fast. Fancy film premieres, loads of money, loads of fast cars. The reality is you're probably broke for years and need to work on a second job or third job to pay for your passion of filmmaking. Myth 2, you work on cool big movies, massive sets with Steven Spielberg. But the reality is most jobs are commercials, corporate videos, and unpaid shorts. Even weddings. Who wants to do weddings? I've done a few. Pretty boring.
You're goddamn right.
Myth 3, talent equals success. And the reality is you're always replaceable. No matter how good you are, there's always someone cheaper, younger, and more connected than you, waiting to take your place. So, what are you going to do about it? Most people burn out. They can't wait for years and years to get paid for a job they love, even if they love it so much. There's PAs drinking coffee at 5 a.m. trying to wake up because they've been working 12 hours the night before. This industry doesn't care about your mental health, your family, or your free time. If you can't keep up, you are out.
That is not going to happen.
But it's not all bad. Despite everything, people do make it, but only if they learn to play the game smart. Tip 1, build a side hustle, selling stock footage, running a YouTube channel. Oh, what is this? A YouTube channel. Tip 2, networking is everything. Who you know matters way more than what you know. Build relationships, treat it like a business, not a passion project. You have to talk money, you have to know how to invoice clients, how to check contracts, how to write contracts, and also negotiate rates. If you don't learn contracts and you don't learn business, what will happen is you will end up working for free forever. So now that you know the harsh truth, do you still want to do this? If your answer is yes, welcome to the madness, but now you'll be smarter about it. Comment below what's your biggest fear about filmmaking.